Hi everyone, my name is Nikki.
I'm JY.
We're from
Rest
Rest and
and
Relax, where we are today.
We are in a special unit at a high-end condo.
How special for this unit?
We converted a 3 unit into 1 unit.
You mean the 3 stack-up unit become 1 unit?
Yes.
Whoa! Let us show you around. Let's go!
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing my feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.